You like your new bed? You like your new cat tree? I think you do. You like that? Do you like that, huh? Hey, look at you and your fancy new thing. Look at you. My goodness. Does that make you happy? Huh? Does it make you happy? Does it make you happy? Yes. You silly girl. You like it? I think you do. I think you do. Oh, that's funny. Where's your tail? Where's your tail? Where's your tail? Huh? Where's your tail? Where's your tail? You like that, huh? I think you do. It's Pyewacket's 6th birthday, and she's checking out her new present. She's got a new cat tree. There's the old beat-up one. I think she likes the new one. Yeah, go on in there. Go on in there. Go see what's in there. What's in there? Huh? What's in there? What's in there? Go check it out. Go check it out. Huh? What's in there? Go check it out. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. What's in there? What's in there? Huh? What's in there? I think you like it. I think you like that, huh? Do you like that? Yeah? Okay, I think we can safely assume that this birthday present is going over pretty well. Yep.